Made in India.
Makes me feel proud.
कि हम किसी से पीछे नहीं हैं.
And inspired कि we can be great at so many things.
But can we really manufacture in India?
We all want to buy made in India products, but it's tough to find good quality.
Most things are either imported or assembled here.
Yes, because researching, designing, manufacturing and marketing in one place, it's crazy.
Crazy? This is what people called us when we told them we wanted to set up an end-to-end electronic manufacturing company right here in India.
And we thought highest quality products at value pricing. Let's do it.
It took time, 6 years and hundreds of obstacles to get there. But we became what we set out for.
The first audio manufacturing company that makes in India.
I feel so proud that we no longer have to be the back offices of the world. We can also lead.
Our people are learning new skills and getting jobs. It's only going to get better from here.
इसीलिए जब हमारे लोग आत्मनिर्भर, तो हमारा देश आत्मनिर्भर.
Today, Mivi stands for giving India world-class technology by forefronting innovation, advancing tech, and reimagining design and quality like never before. So that we finally and proudly change the question from, can we make in India? To, why can't we make in India?